Okay, so I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial on changing your wipers in a 2005 Honda Pilot. This is pretty straightforward. You just take this guy, you rotate it the whole way out, and then boom. And so now, on your new blade, I don't have a new blade, I'm doing this for demonstration, you'll see you have this little slit in the center, and you have this plastic piece that's sort of arched down to up, from here up to here. Basically, you want to put the hole that is on the side closest to me currently, so the near side, through, and then you slide this guy down and in so that that little rounded part goes in the little circle. And, well, it didn't go all the way in. There you go. Sorry, it's pretty hard with one hand. And now your wiper is on and you are good to go. Alright, now for the front wipers, all you have to do is rotate it out, and it should slide like so, and it's out. Then you'll just make sure that this is folded in this orientation, and you will just redo the exact same thing, so that now it is popped into place, and you are good to go. And just repeat for that wiper, it is the exact same process. Feel free to let me know what other kinds of videos you might be looking for. If there's anything that I can help with to make this more straightforward, or if there's any information that you would like to know regarding this car and maintenance you can do to it. That being said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.